Hello friends, welcome back to my channel S4 Creations, and today I will show you how to convert any video file like .mkv or .avi etc. into .mp4 video. Also you can convert video to audio through this method. So let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant notifications.
So for that, first thing you need to do is to download the video converter app. I have given the link in the description. So just open the video converter app. Just let it come. And now to convert the video, you just need to tap on the video converter, and to convert video to audio, tap on the video to audio button and just browse the video which you need to convert into MP4. So I had taken here .avi video, and now click on the MP4, tap on the arrow mark, once more tap on the arrow mark, and it's ready, and tap on the tick mark to start the conversion. And the time it takes depend upon the length of the video. So you need to just wait there. It's converting to MP4 from .avi to MP4. And now it has finished the conversion, and to view the video you need to just go back and open the file manager and go to internal storage DCIM and select the video converter, and here is your converter video. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video then please do like, share the video to your friends, subscribe to my channel S4 Creations, and hit the bell icon for instant notification when I upload a new video. So for more techie videos, stay tuned with S4 Creations, and take care.